Hey, it's Cousin Tim in Missouri. What I'm going to do today is something totally off the wall for me. Do some Dubai chocolate. Okay, so what we got here is a few weeks ago we went to a wine, cheese, and chocolate tasting. And of course, due to the price of this Dubai chocolate at the store, had never really had any of it. So we got a sampling of it at this event we went to, and it was really good. So I figured we could probably make some of this at home and make it for a fraction of the price it cost you to buy this at the store. Got 3/4 of a cup of pistachio butter. We've got 2/3 of a tablespoon of tahini, sesame spread, toasted sesame spread. It's what they make hummus out of, part of it. And then we've got about 6 ounces of Belgian chocolate right here. I'm going to chop this up. Well, I've got a double boiler going over here. We're going to melt the chocolate in. And to save time, got some Kataifi, I believe is how they pronounce it. It's kind of like a phyllo dough. That's the crunchy interior of this. I've got it toasting over here in a skillet. And we're going to mix this all together and make some of this Dubai chocolate. So I'm going to get chopping up on this chocolate. I'll be back with you in a minute when we start kind of putting this stuff together. All right, we got our chocolate chopped up, getting ready to put it over here in the double boiler. But for now, this Kataifi, the crunchy stuff, got it all toasted off over here. I'm going to stick it in this bowl. And we're going to go in with this pistachio butter. Gives us this nice green filling inside this chocolate, in case you've never had any of this. Okay, we can go in with the tahini now. Mix this stuff up. Try not to crunch that Kataifi up too much. I'm going to keep it nice and long so you get a lot of nice crunch inside there. It's really what makes this a unique chocolate bar. All right, we got that mixed up. Now I'm going to get this chocolate over here in the double boiler and get it melted down. Then we're going to start putting these chocolate bars together. Won't be long. All right, our chocolate is nice and tempered over here. Going to take some of it, put it in this mold here, chocolate bar mold. And pour some of this in here, probably about 1/4 of it. Want enough to get it in here where we can take this brush and spread this. I did use a slight bit of vegetable oil, lightly greased this mold here so this chocolate bar will come out of it after it's set up here after a while. So try to get a nice even coat on the sides. Might need a little bit more chocolate in here, looks like. Just so y'all know, if you pay attention to the channel and you've tuned into some of this, I normally am a barbecue guy. I'm normally cooking outside. I don't do a whole lot of sweets, chocolate and stuff, but it's Easter weekend here and we wanted to do something kind of special for Easter to have on hand. So thought maybe we'd do this Dubai chocolate. So Anyway. All right, I think we got that nice and coated there. Go in here with some of this pistachio filling here. It smells good. All right, kind of spread that out some. Back in here with, cover this up with chocolate. I am for sure not a chocolate maker. Willy Wonka would not give me his golden ticket, that's for sure. But we're going to see how this turns out. Spread this out, make it flat. Alrighty then. Wipe off our mold. And we will let this set up for 20-30 minutes and we should be ready to try some Dubai chocolate. See how that goes. Be back soon. Let's give this a taste and see how this is. All right. It's nutty, crunchy. Milk chocolate. Man. Y'all can do this stuff at home and save yourself a bunch of money. Give this a try. Ingredients are pretty cheap. Chocolate's probably the most expensive part of it, but don't skimp on that either. Make sure it's a good chocolate. But give that a try. We'll see y'all soon.